Good afternoon, everyone. I am Fatima Criollo. This is my ID, and I want to share a screen with you. Please wait me a second. Okay. Again, my name is Fatima Criollo, and this is my ID. And this is English syntax course, parallel 100. And in this short video, I am explaining about syntactic linkage. And as you can see, I am going to explain how case of agreement and government work in a real context by integrating them into a personal anecdote. I am going to start by reading the history and explain each example that is marked with a different color according to the terms learned from agreement and government. Okay, please let me share the specifications. For example, agreement formal with the color sky blue, notional with the color yellow, and government is nominative or subject case with the color green, and genitive case with the color pink, and accusative and dative case with the color red. Okay, let us begin. First, I want to define what is the agreement. Okay, agreement is the relationship between the parts of sentence, whether these parts are connected or not, or if there is coherence in a text. And there are two types of agreement. And having said this, now let's analyze my story. Okay, the first formal agreement with the color sky blue color, and sorry, it's dealt with the structures of language. For example, here in my story, I say since I was little. Then automatically, since there is the pronoun I, then the verb to be must be only was, no other, was. Okay, continuing reading, we see accusative case with the red color. It is different types of object. Can direct object, indirect object, oblique object. For example, here we have an example of direct object when I say that since I was little, I have liked the English language. Then I mentioned that I never delved into it. That means in the English language, but it is replaced by it. The story continuing, and the other example is when I mentioned that my husband motivated me to study. Here we can observe an indirect object. Okay, we continue reading, and here we find an example of nominative case with the green color. It refers to the nouns or pronouns used as a subject and as a subject complement. In this anecdote, I mentioned that I am a student. Okay, let's continue reading. And here we find an example about genitive case here with the pink color. It is the use of all types of possessive. For example, determiners or pronouns. For example, when I mentioned that the tutor's pronunciation was wrong, here is the possessive. Okay. Here we another example of the nominative case with the green color when I mentioned we forgot the pronunciation. Where we can see other example of formal agreement is with a sky blue color. A rule of agreement is that when a subject are singular or plural and are connected by ends, here is, and a plural verb and are connected by and a plural verb form must be used. In my anecdote, I mentioned this was because my classmate and I knew that the subject was greeting. Here we, in the next slide, here we, another example of genitive case with the pink color when I mentioned that this is my concept or of saying the importance of language, okay? And then this is a possessive pronouns, my. And the last is notional agreement with the yellow color, deals with the meaning that is intended to be expressed. Here we see in these examples, we see that I mentioned a group of students here. A group of students, and it is singular to the verb adds the letter S. And it is refers to a unit. However, in the following sentences, I mention a group of students, but in plural, sorry, here. And but in plural, so the verb doesn't have the letter S because the pronoun is third person of plural. Here is the verb should. Okay. In the next slide here, we see another example of genitive case with the color, the pink color. When I mentioned that their decision is their decision to see the English language as important. Here, word theirs is a possessive pronoun. And the last example is when I mentioned that the English language opens many doors. Since it is the third person, a letter S is necessarily added to the verb. It is a formal agreement. The letter S with the sky blue color. Okay, thank you everybody for your attention. This is all.